In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload stories on Telegram. By the end, you'll feel confident capturing, customizing, and sharing a story with exactly the audience you want. First, open Telegram and land on the main chat screen. Make sure you're using a recent version of the app so all the story features are available. If it's your first time creating a story, it helps to confirm the app has permission to use your camera, microphone, and photos for a smooth experience. Look to the bottom right corner of the chat screen and tap the camera icon. This opens the story camera. It's a quick access space designed just for capturing moments, so you can get your story posted without digging through menus. To create something on the spot, tap the shutter to take a photo or press and hold to record a video. Keep your phone steady and consider your framing before you start. If you're recording, releasing the button will stop the clip, so plan your timing and use natural light where possible for the best results. If you already have something in your gallery, simply swipe up on the screen to browse your existing photos and videos. Pick the one you want, and Telegram will bring it right into the story editor. This is handy if you've edited elsewhere or want to reuse a great shot. Now, customize. Use the built-in editor to add text, stickers, and drawings. Keep text readable with contrasting colors and place it where it won't cover important parts of the image. You can pinch to resize and drag to reposition. A little decoration goes a long way. Aim for clarity over clutter. You can also fine-tune the look, adjust contrast to make your visuals pop, and try dual camera mode to capture both what you see and your reaction at the same time. This is great for commentary or behind the scenes moments. When you're happy, tap next. Choose who can see your story. Everyone for maximum reach, my contacts for a familiar circle, close friends for a tighter group, or specific users if you want full control over visibility. Take a moment here to match your content with the right audience. Set how long the story stays up 6, 12, 24, or 48 hours, and consider toggling screenshot protection for extra privacy. This helps discourage saving and keeps more control in your hands. Decide where to post it, your personal account or one of your managed channels or groups. Double check this so the story lands exactly where you intend. Finally, tap Post Story. Your story will upload and appear for your selected audience with your chosen settings. That's it. Simple, polished, and shared on your terms.